So what's up? What's going on, everybody? It's JA here. This is my unboxing and review of the upcoming Air Jordan 1 High 85 black and white. So Jordan Brand is back with an OG favorite, the Air Jordan 1 Retro High 85 black and white is set to release coming up February the 15th for a retail price of $200. So we got my second Jordan Brand review of the year, right? Unbelievable. 2023 is a crazy year. So fresh out the box, you'll notice some subtle differences when comparing this sneaker, the 85, to the standard Jordan 1 High. And speaking of the box, of course, these joints come with the red box for the 85s. Now, those subtle differences with the shape, you guys will notice mostly in the toe box area, as the 85 version has a slightly wider toe box. And with the additional $20 retail, these seem to have a thicker quality leather. So for the fourth year in a row now, Jordan Brand will be releasing the Air Jordan 1 High 85, which they claim to be the truest reissue of the 1985 model to date. First introduced back in February of 2020 as part of the New Beginnings pack with the Air Ship, the Air Jordan 1 High 85 has grown to be a release that sneakerheads look forward to every year. So this is a fun release from Jordan Brand. They're dropping these joints just in time to kick off the NBA All-Star weekend. So you got an OG colorway, black and white, really simple. The last time they brought these back was 2014. So do you feel like they waited too long to bring these back? Or do you feel like it wasn't soon enough? So this silhouette is highlighted with traditional black and white hues, the latter adorning the perforated toe boxes, medial panels, and ankle areas. The premium leather makeup features black overlays set atop the previous, which also hit the profile swooshes that extend from the tails. Contrasting wings logos are promoted on the exterior facing ankle flaps, while nylon tongues deliver a dash of textural distinction fashioned with tonal badges embroidered with Nike branding. A similar insole design completes the offering, stacked atop inscribed midsoles and black rubber bottoms. So these joints come with black laces, and then you got a pair of white laces as a backup. So at its core, you got a pair of black and white Jordan 1 Highs with premium leather. So on feet, joints feel pretty stiff, as you would expect with this amazing 80s sneaker tech right here. In terms of sizing, you guys can go true to size on the Jordan 1 all day, but feel free to half size up if you want a little extra wiggle room in the toe box area. So I wanted to take a quick moment to let you guys know that I've teamed up with IP Royals to give you a special discount code, which will give you guys 50% off their Royal residential proxies. Make sure you guys don't miss out on this offer before it expires soon. Hey yo, what you doing over there, bro? Oh hey, nothing much, dude. Just sneaker botting. Successfully copping sneakers today is almost impossible without a sneaker bot, which has become more popular than ever. So if there's a sneaker releasing on a website, more than likely there's a bot for it. These sneaker bots automate the checkout process to ensure you're able to cop as many pairs as possible. But in order to fully utilize a sneaker bot, you do need a proxy to reach its full potential. If you run a sneaker bot without a proxy, each request would come from your IP address and you would immediately be banned. However, if you use a proxy server, the sneaker shop sees each process as a separate user, allowing multiple purchases since each user will only be buying one pair of sneakers. Residential proxies come from real devices with real ISP issued connections. Bots use these proxies to mask their activity and become indistinguishable from other regular shoppers, which helps bypass capture requests. More importantly, by using residential proxies as close as possible to the sneaker's website's physical servers, botters can enjoy lower latency and complete their purchases faster than anyone else. I've teamed up with IP Royal to bring you guys a special discount code, so make sure you guys use code JOHN50 at checkout to receive 50% off their Royal residential proxies. Make sure you guys take advantage of this deal as it won't last for long. So a great looking shoe that's not very comfortable, and just a warning, if you do plan to wear these for hours at a time on feet, you will notice the longer you wear these, the more uncomfortable they get, but it's a sneaker that looks so great that sometimes we sacrifice comfort for looks. So these joints are a bona fide classic. You got premium leather here, you got an OG colorway, and you can't go wrong with a black and white sneaker, right? But I'm gonna tell y'all why I can't get down with these joints. So I totally understand that the wider toe box is more true to the original pair, but I gotta be honest with y'all, even though these are truer to the OG shape, I feel like I much more prefer the more narrow toe box area. And because this 85 version features this wider toe box, I can't help but every time I look at these joints, they remind me of a Dunk High. And let's not even get started with the black and white colorway. Can you guys say Panda Dunk? But don't get it twisted, guys. There's absolutely nothing wrong with this sneaker at all. These joints are OG, they're a bona fide classic. And for me personally, as a kid, I grew up as a huge Jordan fan. And looking at these sneakers out the box, I gotta say, I was actually pleasantly surprised by the quality and craftsmanship on this sneaker. I feel like these joints definitely give me a more premium feel than what we're used to. So I feel like the $200 retail is definitely warranted on this sneaker. The only thing I have against this shoe is that every time I just look at it, I can't stop but help thinking of a Panda Dunk, and the way Nike just kind of oversaturated and TikTok just kind of ruined the Panda Dunk for me. I feel like this shoe just gives me nightmares thinking of like a kid at SneakerCon rocking these joints with a pair of skinny jeans and like a Supreme box logo. So for that reason, these joints just ain't for me, but like I said, these joints are definitely a bona fide classic. So drop your feedback down below. Let me know what you guys think about the 85 high, black and white. So we're gonna wrap things up here. I'm JA. Make sure you guys stay safe, stay blessed, and I'm out, y'all. Love, salute.